Do you want to view old stories on Facebook? You can see old Facebook story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To see your old stories on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, go to your profile page. Now you are on your profile screen. Tap on the three-dot icon next to the Edit Profile button. A new screen will appear with multiple options. Here, tap on Archive. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see different options. Tap on Story Archive. This will show all your old stories that you have posted before, saved in your archive. Scroll through and tap on any story to view it. If you don't see any stories, it might be because Story Archive is turned off. To enable it, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and enable the toggle switch next to Save to Archive. Now, Facebook will automatically save all your future stories, and you can view them anytime under the Story Archive.